Hello and welcome back. In this lecture, we will be learning about Microsoft privacy statement, what it is and why it is important to us. We'll take a look at Microsoft privacy statement in this lecture a little bit more. Overall, the best way to describe about the privacy statement is that it explains about what personal data Microsoft process from us and whenever we use or interact with any of the Microsoft products and services, and it explains how Microsoft process that data and for what purpose. And the reason that it is important, especially in today's age, when privacy is very important issues, and people wanted to know how secure and how securely they are storing this data. This statement does it puts Microsoft a commitment in writing in detail within this article about the data protection policies and practices and a clear straightforward language so everyone can understand about from this article. And some of the main points from the privacy statement that Microsoft will only use data provided the services is agreed upon, purpose compatible was providing these services. It will not even use for customer data or derive information from customers data for advertising. Also, it will never disclose customers data hosted at Microsoft to any of the government agencies unless the agency required them by law. And when it happens, if Microsoft is forced to disclose customers data to based on the law enforcement, Microsoft will always promptly notify the customer, and it provides a copy of that same information, whatever it provided to the government on a demand. And so when we look at these kind of all together, we start to realize that overall a kind of theme here, it is the data that the Microsoft collect from us is only used for the services it is needs to be there, but not for the selling purpose. It's not used in the advertising. And even given business or any other governments unless there is a legal warrant to do so. Now, if you take a look at this web page, and they're going to use this personal data to secure or to upgrade their products and securing and troubleshooting purpose with whatever the interactions we do with them. So when they are using these information for the personal data, they would actually use for improvement of their products and the services, it will be used. And also you would be getting a personalized recommendation just for you, and they can advertise and market to you. And for internal Microsoft offers, these are not external advertisements. If you see, in case they are offering some kind of advertisement that comes actually from the Microsoft site, not from third-party websites. And also you have all the flexibility to control any of the advertisement or the internet. For example, you can use the internet-based advertising from the Microsoft site so that you can actually control the things maybe based on the cookies or similar technologies based on the advertisements. And if you opted for any kind of promotional emails like SMS messages or telephone calls or postal mail based on the medium that you have opted. So these are the just few ways that we can access data Microsoft stores, and we can take a look at the ways that Microsoft process and uses for our data, as well as the things that they don't like to sell or disclose the data. Before I close this lecture, I'll give you more information on the data. If you wanted to get more information on the privacy statement, just go into this web page and look for the specific articles that are going to help you, like maybe office specific. It's going to give you the office specific LinkedIn, Skype, Outlook, or any of the products that you wanted. It's not just limited anywhere here, and I hope this is useful for you to get more information and understanding about the Microsoft privacy statement, as well as how to use the privacy portal to monitor and delete our personal information held by Microsoft. Thank you for watching this.